Biology, Chapter 9, Biomolecules of Class 11. Factors affecting enzyme activity. The factors like temperature, pH, change in substrate concentration, or binding of specific chemicals regulate the enzyme activity, affect the activity of the enzymes. Temperature and pH. Enzymes generally act in a narrow range of temperature. The temperature at which the enzyme shows its highest activity is called its optimum temperature. The enzyme activity declines both below and above the optimum temperature. At low temperature, the enzyme exists in a temporarily inactive state, whereas high temperature destroys enzymatic activity due to denaturation of proteins. Each enzyme has a particular optimum pH at which the enzyme shows its highest activity. Any change in the optimum pH alters the structure of enzyme proteins and thereby decrease the enzyme activity. Inorganic catalysts work at high temperature and pressure, but enzymes get damaged at high temperature that is greater than 40 degrees Celsius. Thermophilic organisms have enzymes which are stable at high temperature up to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Concentration of substrate. The velocity of the enzyme catalyzed reaction increases with the increase in substrate concentration. The reaction is ultimately reached a maximum velocity which is not exceeded by any further rise in the concentration of the substrate. This is because all the activity site of the enzyme are occupied by the substrate molecules, that is, the enzyme molecules are fewer than the substrate molecules, and after saturation there is no free enzyme molecule to bind to the substrate. The concentration of the substrate at which half the maximum velocity of the enzyme reaction is attained is called maximum concentration value, and or it is also known as the Michaelis constant. This is not exceeded by further rise in concentration because enzyme molecules are few. Presence of inhibitor. The activity of an enzyme is also sensitive to the presence of specific chemicals that bind to the enzyme. Such chemicals are called inhibitor. When the binding of an inhibitor shuts off enzyme's activity, the process is called inhibition. When the inhibitor closely resembles the substrate in its molecular structure and inhibits the enzyme activity, it is called competitive inhibitor. Example for competitive inhibitor. Malonate is similar to the substrate succinate, so it inhibits succinic dehydrogenase in the following reaction. Succinate in the presence of enzyme succinic dehydrogenase form fumarate. Competitive inhibitors are used to control bacterial pathogens. Classification and nomenclature of enzymes. Enzymes are classified into 6 classes based on the type of reaction they catalyze. Oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase, transferase, hydrolase, lyase, isomerase and ligase. Oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase. These enzymes catalyze oxidation reduction between two substrates. For example, S reduce plus S dash oxidize gives S oxidize plus S dash reduce. Transferase. These enzymes catalyze the transfer of specific groups from one substrate to another. For example, Sg plus S dash gives S dash G plus S. Lyase. Hydrolase. These enzymes catalyze hydrolysis breakdown with addition of water of ester, ether, peptide, glycosidic C-C bond, C halide or PN bond. Lyase. These enzymes catalyze the cleavage of specific covalent bond and removal of specific group without the use of water. Isomerase. These enzymes catalyze the interconversion of optical geometric or positional isomers. Ligase. These enzymes catalyze linking together of two compounds, that is joining of CO or C bond S, CN, PO, etc. bonds. Cofactors. Enzymes are composed of one or more polypeptide chain, and many enzymes have a non-protein constituent called cofactor. The cofactors are bound to the protein part of the enzyme called apoenzyme to make the later catalytically active. Apoenzyme and cofactor together constitute a holoenzyme. The cofactors are of three types: prosthetic group, coenzymes, and metal ions. Prosthetic group. Prosthetic groups are organic compounds which are tightly bound to the apoenzyme to make the later catalytically active. For example, heme is a prosthetic group in enzymes peroxidase and catalase, which catalyze the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Coenzyme. Classification and nomenclature of enzymes. Enzymes are classified into 6 classes based on the type of reaction they catalyze. Oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase, transferase, hydrolase, lyase, isomerase and ligase. Oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase. These enzymes catalyze oxidation reduction between two substrates. For example, S-reduce plus S-oxidize gives S-oxidize plus S-reduce. Transferase. These enzymes catalyze the transfer of specific groups from one substrate to another. For example, Sg plus S- gives S-G plus S. Thank you.